Eero Wi-Fi extenders boost your existing network coverage by creating a mesh network, a single, unified SSID with seamless device handoff. Unlike traditional extenders, Eero nodes work together, utilizing tri-band or quad-band technology. This includes 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz in Wi-Fi 7 models to optimize bandwidth. You'll need an Eero router or gateway, like the Eero Pro 6 or 7, and additional Eero extenders such as Eero beacons or Pro models. These plug into power outlets and connect wirelessly or via Ethernet for backhaul to improve range. Download the Eero app and create an account. Plug in your Eero router and connect it to your modem. The app will guide you through the initial router setup. To add an extender, place it in the area where you need better coverage, plug it in, and select Add a device in the app. Eero nodes self-configure via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Test coverage using the app's speed test feature and adjust the placement of your extender. Ideally, nodes should be within 2 rooms of each other for optimal signal strength. This whole process can be done in under 10 minutes.